Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from exercise 2.2, first problem. See here what he has given. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So here he has given two sets A and B. So he is asking to find us A intersection B and B intersection A. See here how can we find. So A is equal to what? A is equal to a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So first he is asking to find A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to. So first write set A. Set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A. Intersection. What is B? B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So how can we write intersection? So just we have to write the common elements which are present in both the sets. So intersection B has the common elements of both the sets. So that should present in both the set. So 1 is the common element. So write 1. So 2 is the common element. Write 2. 3 is also common element. Write 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the common elements. This is A intersection B. So let it is equation number 1. So next we have to find B intersection A. So first we have to write set B, then after we have to write A. So B is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is set B intersection. What is set A? Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again I have to write only the common elements of both the sets. 1 is present in both the sets. 2 is also there. So next to 3. That's all. 1, 2, 3. Let it is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3. B intersection A is also 1, 2, 3. So we can say that from 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, A intersection B is equal to what? B intersection A. Are they equal? He is asking. Yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal. So this is a first problem in exercise 2.2. So next we have to solve the second problem. This is the second problem in 2.2 exercise. See here what he is asking to find us. If A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4, find A intersection 5 and A intersection A, comment. So here phi is what? Null set. Phi is null set. Is asking to find us the intersection of A and phi. So this is the given set. A is equal to set of 0, 2, 4. So first one is asking to find us A intersection phi. A intersection phi is equal to, first we have to write set A 0, 2, 4. So these are the elements of set A. Intersection phi. So phi is null set. There are no elements. So how can we write the intersection? So we have to write the common elements of both the sets. So there are no common elements. So here we have null set again. So A intersection phi is equal to what? Phi. So next second one, A intersection A. A intersection A is equal to, we have to write set A, that is 0, 2, 4 intersection. Again we have to set A only. A intersection A. Again we have to write set A, that is 0, 2, 4. So intersection we have to write the common elements. So 0 is there, 2 is there in both, 4 is there in both. 0, 2, 4. It is nothing but set A. Therefore, we can write comment he is asking. So, A intersection phi is equal to what? A intersection phi is equal to 5, and A intersection A equal to what? A intersection A equal to A. So, these two we can say from the A intersection phi equal to 5 and A intersection A equal to A. So this is the second problem in exercise 2.2. 2.2. So next we have to solve third problem. This is the third problem from 2.2 exercise. See here what he has given. If A is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and B is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, find A minus B and B minus A. So these two are the given sets, A equal to and B equal to. So first we have to find A minus B and B minus A. So this is very important problem. So many times he asked in the examination for 2 marks and sometimes 4 marks also. So just you have to concentrate here, how can we find A minus B and B minus A. Very important. So see here I am writing first A minus B equal to. So A minus B is equal to. So first write set A. Set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus write set B. Set B is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is A minus B. So now we have to find A minus B. Before that we have to identify the common elements. So what are the common elements in both? So 6 is the common element. Just we have to cancel in both 6. So next 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 8 is not there, 10 is not there. Only 6 is the common element. First we have to cancel the common elements in both. Then we have to write the elements which are present in the first set. So what are the remaining elements in the first set? 2, 4, 8, 10. So this is set A minus B. This is A minus B. So see here, very important student. First write set A minus set B. We have to identify the common elements, cancel the common elements. So next write the elements of set A after first set after cancelling the common elements. So this is A minus B. So next we have to find B minus A. So in the same way, first we have to write set B. So first B is there, write B. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is set B minus next write set A here. Set A 2, 4, 6, 8. So after writing both the sets, again we have to cancel the common elements. So 6 is there, 6 is there. That's all. So next write the elements of first set only. So what are the elements of first set after cancelling 6? We have 3, 9, 12, 15. This is B minus A. So if you observe here, A minus B equal to 2, 4, 8, 10, B minus A equal to 3, 9, 12, 15. So are they equal? These are not equal. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So very important and very easy. So this is the third problem in the exercise 2.2. Next we have to solve fourth problem. This is the fourth problem in 2.2 exercise. See here what he is asking to find us. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset to B, then what is A union B? So it is also very important. He asked us so many times for 1 or 2 marks. So just you have to take one example to show A union B. So see here, A and B are two sets and the condition is A is subset to B. So let here let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A and it is B. Since the condition is A is subset to B here. So already we have learned subset. If the elements of A, all elements of A should present in set B, then we can say A is subset to B. Here 1 is there in B, 2 is also there, 3 is also there. We can say A is subset to B here. So he is asking to what is A union B. So if A is subset to B, then A union B is equal to what he is asking. Then A union B is equal to. So first write A, set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3 union. Set B, what is set B? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is set B. So just we have taken as an example. These problems can be solved by taking examples. So very important. By the given condition we have to satisfy these two sets can satisfy the given condition. A is subset to B. So here A is union B. A union B has given. Just you have to write union. So how can we write the union? Just you have to write all the elements which are present in both the sets. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is A union B. You have to write all the elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All elements are presented in both the set. We have to write all the elements present in both the set. If there are repeated elements, you have to write only once. See here A union B is equal to. So observe it is nothing but B only, set B only. So therefore we can say if A is subset to B, then if A is subset to B, then A union B is equal to, then A union B is equal to B only. So this is very important. So when it is if A is subset to B, then A union B is equal to what? B only. So this is the fourth problem in exercise 2.2. Next you have to solve fifth problem. This is the fifth problem in exercise 2.2. See here what he has given. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from exercise 2.2 fifth problem. So already we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth problem. Let A is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number, B is equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural number, C is equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural number, and D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number. Then find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. So this is very important, student. He has given sets in set builder form. So first we have to write them in roster form. So writing the sets into from set builder form to roster form is very important. So if you write clearly roster form, you can do everything. So very important for 4 marks. Every time he is asking for 4 marks these type of problems. So just you have to concentrate here. If you concentrate, if you can do very easily. See here. So first you have to write the roster form. The roster form of the given sets are, see here, the roster form of the given sets are, first you have to write the roster form of set A. So A is equal to what? X such that x is a natural number. Just you have to write all the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So this is set A, roster form of set A. So next we have to write the roster form of set B. So what is the set B? X is an even natural number. So we have to select even numbers from the natural numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So this is a set B. So next we have to write the roster form of set C. So X is an odd natural number. So I have to select odd numbers from the natural numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this is a odd natural number. So next we have to write a set D. So D is equal to what? So X is a prime number. We have to write the prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So these are the prime numbers. So now we have to find one by one. First we have to find A intersection B. So see here, how can we find A intersection B is equal to? So first we have to write set A and set B. So A is what? So just we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So and so on, dash dash is there. Intersection. What is the set B? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dash dash. This is A intersection B. So intersection, just you have to write only common elements. So what are the common elements? 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are the common elements. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the common elements. So now we have to find A intersection C. First we have to write set A, next intersection set C. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is set A. So this is set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection. So next we have to write a set C. So what are the elements of C? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 of set C. So write the intersection. So intersection, just you have to write only common elements. So that should present in both the set. Yes, 1 is the common element. 1, 3, 5, 7. So and so on. So these are the common elements. 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So this is A intersection C. So next I have to find A intersection D. Third one, this is A intersection D. So again first you have to write set A. Set A is 1. So these are the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection, next you have to write a set D. This is set D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these are the elements of set D. So these are the elements of set D. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So now we have to find the intersection of these two. So for that we have to identify the common elements. Yes, 2 and 3, 5, 7. These are the common elements. 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So these are the common elements. So this is A intersection D. So next we have to find a B intersection C. Next we have to find a B intersection C. First we have to write a set B. So these are the elements of set B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Intersection. Next we have to write the elements of set C. This is set C. These are the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I have to write the intersection. To write the intersection, we have to select the common elements. So what are the common elements? 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 6, 8, 10. So there are no common elements here, since B intersection C is a null set. If there are no common elements or if there are no elements in the set, it is known as a empty set or null set or void set. So it is denoted by phi. So this is B intersection C. So next we have to find B intersection D and C intersection D also. Now we have to find B intersection D. See here, how can we find? So first we have to write set B. So this is set B. These are the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements of set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. So intersection. Next you have to write the elements of set D. D elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So these are the elements of set D, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So now we have to identify the common elements. So 2 is the common element, 4 is not there, 6, 8, 10. Only 2 is the common element. So just we have to write 2. So this is B intersection D. So next we have to find a C intersection D. So let it is a sixth one. So he has given numbers, but I am writing serial numbers he has not given. C intersection D is equal to. So first we have to write a set C. So these are the elements of set C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So this is set C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Intersection. Next we have to write the set D. These are the elements of set D, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So now we have to identify the common elements that should present in both the sets. 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 3, 5, 7. These are the common elements. 3, 5, 7 and so on. So these are the common elements in C intersection. This is set C intersection D. So we have completed all. So this is the fifth problem. So you have to focus or concentrate on the these are the set builder forms, these are the roster forms. So conversion is very, very important, student. Just you have to concentrate. How can we write the roster forms of the given set builder form? That is very, very important. If you write correct the roster forms, you can do these things very easily. So just you have to concentrate here. This is the fifth problem in 2.2 exercise. Next we have to solve sixth problem. That's all, student. Thanks for watching. To solve a problem from sets exercise 2.2 sixth problem. So already we have completed up to fifth. This is sixth problem. See here what he is asking to find us. If A is equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, B is equal to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, C is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and D is equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B, D minus B. So it is nothing but a difference of two sets. Already we have learnt basic operations of sets. So how can we write the difference of two sets? We know. So again we have to find a very, very important difference of two sets. Every time he is asking either 2 marks or 4 marks. So this is very, very important. So first he has given 4 sets. The given sets are A equal to B, C, D. These are the 4 given sets. Now we have to find one by one. First one is A minus B. See here how can we find A minus B. So set A minus B is equal to. So first we have to write set A minus set B. Set A. This is set A. First we have to write set A. So this is set A minus what is there here? Set B. A minus B is there. So next we have to write set B. So B, what are the elements in the B? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So these are the elements of set B. So now we have to find A minus B. So for that what we have to do? Just you have to remember. First we have to identify the common elements in both the sets. So here 3 is there, it is not there. 6 is there, it is not there. 9 is there, it is not there, but 12 is there in the first set, in the second set. So now cancel the common elements. 12 cancel. So next here 15 is there, 15 not there, 18 is there, 18 not there, 21 is there, 21 is not there. So only 12 is the common element. So cancel the common elements. After cancelling the common elements, write the remaining elements in the first set. So that is, what are the remaining elements in the first set? 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So these are the remaining elements in the first set. So this is set A minus B. This is set A minus B. Very easy and very important. Just we have to write the two sets and identify the common elements and cancel them. Write the remaining elements in the first set. So this is A minus B. So next second, what is there? A minus C. So next we have to find A minus C. So again first we have to write set A minus set C. So what is set A? So this is set A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. A minus C. So what is set C? So we have to write the elements of set C. So these are the elements of set C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 2, 16. So up to 16 you have to write. So again we have to cancel the common elements. First you have to identify. 3 is there but not there. 6 is there. Yes, 6 is also there. So cancel the common element 6. So 9 is there but here not there. 12 is there. Yes, here also 12 is there. So cancel the 12. So 15 is there but here 15 not there. 18 is there, here 18 not there. 21 is there, 21 not there. So after cancelling the common elements, you have to write the remaining elements in the first set. So here what are the remaining elements? 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. So 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. These are the remaining elements in the first set. Don't write in the elements of second set. Just we have to write the remaining elements of the first set only. So this is A minus C. So next we have to find A minus D. A minus D. So again first we have to write the set A only. Next set D. So set A. What are the elements of set A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So see here. 21. So these are the elements of set A. Minus set D. D, what are the elements? 5, 10, 15, 20. So again now we have to identify the common elements and cancel them. 3 is there here but not there. 6 here is there, it is not there. 9 it is not there. 12 it is not there. But 15 here is there, cancel 15. So next 18 not there, 21 not there. So next the remaining elements of the first set. So what are the remaining elements? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. 12, 18, 21. So these are the remaining elements after cancelling the common elements. So this is A minus D. So next we have to find B minus A. So next we have to find fourth B minus A. So first we have to write set B. Set B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Yes, it is set B. Minus, as next we have to write set A. Minus set A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So again now we have to identify the common elements. So 4 here it is not there. 8 is there, it is not there. But 12 is there, here also 12 is there. So here cancel the common elements 12 and 12. So here 16 is there but here it is not there. 20 is there but here it is not there. So write the remaining elements of the first set. So what are the remaining elements in the first set? 4, 8, 16, 20. So these are the remaining elements in the first set. So this is a set B minus A. So next to fifth one, you have to find C minus A. So fifth one, C minus A. So first we have to write set C. Next we have to write set A. So this is set C. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16. So this is a set C, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 minus, next we have to write set A. So this is set A, 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. So next we have to identify the common elements. 2 is there but not there, 4 is there but here it is not there, 6 is there, yes, here also 6 is there, so cancel 6. So next 8 is there, 8 not there, 10 is there, 10 not there, but 12 is there, here also 12 is there, so cancel 12. So here 14 is there, here 14 is not there, 16 is there, 16 is not there, so only 6 and 12 are the common elements. So now write the remaining elements in the first set. 2 4 8 8 10 14 16. 2 4 8 10 14 16. So these are the remaining elements, 2 4 8 10 14 16. This is a set C minus A. So next we have to find the sixth one, D minus A. So see here, first we have to write set D minus A. So first write the set D. D is equal to 5 10 15 20. So write minus set A. A is equal to what again? 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. So here we have to write set A. So this is set A, 3 6 9 12 15 18 21. So again identify the common elements. 5 is there, not there, 10 is also not there, 15 is the common element in both, so cancel 15. So here 20 is there, 20 not there. So what are the remaining elements in the first set? That is 5 10 20. These are the remaining elements in the first set. So this is set D minus A. So next we have to find B minus C. Next we have to find B minus C, seventh one, B minus C. First you have to write set B, 4 8 12 16 20. This is set B minus, next we have to write set C. Set C is 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16. So identify the common elements. So here 4 is there and 4 cancel it, 8 is there and here also 8 is there, cancel it, 12 is there, here also 12 is there, cancel it, 16 is there, here also 16 is there, cancel it. So now we have to write the remaining elements in the first set. It is only 20 is there, write only 20. So only 20 is there in the first set. So B minus C is equal to 20. So only one element is there. So this is seventh one. Next we have to find eighth one. So it is B minus D. Eighth one is what? So first we have to write set B. Again it is so this is B, 4 8 12 16 20 minus we have to write set D. Set D equal to 5 10 15 20. These are the elements of set D. This is set D, 5 10 15 20. Identify the common elements. So here 4 8 12 16 is not there, only 20 is the common element in both. So now write the remaining elements in the first set. They are 4 8 12 16. These are the remaining elements in the first set. So this is the eighth one. Next we have to find ninth, C minus B. So now we have to find ninth one. It is C minus B. So first we have to write set C. So these are the elements of set C, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16. So set C minus B. Next we have to write set B. This is set B, 4 8 12 16 20. 12 16 20. So now cancel the common elements. 4 is the common element and cancel. 8 is the common element, cancel. Next 12 is the common element, cancel. 16 is the common element, cancel it. So now write the remaining elements in the first set. They are 2 6 10 14. These are the remaining elements. 2 6 10 14. These are the remaining elements in the first set. This is a set C minus B. So next we have lost 10th one. It is D minus B. Next we have to find D minus B. So next we have to find set D minus B. First we have to write set B. Set D. At D, the elements of D are 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, it is 5, 10, 15, 20. Minus, next we have to write set B. The elements of set B are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So now cancel the common elements. So only 20 is the common element. Here 20, 20. So that's all. So write the remaining elements. 5, 10, 15. So these are the remaining elements in the first set after cancelling the common element 20. So this is set D minus B, 5, 10, 15. So totally there are 10 bits in the sixth problem. We have completed all the 10. So this is sixth problem in 2.2 exercise. So totally we have 7 problems. Next we have to solve seventh one. So it is a difference of sets very important. Just you have to concentrate here and practice. You can do yourself. This is the seventh problem in 2.2 exercise. See here what he is asking. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So there are 4 bits in the seventh problem. So these are about disjoint sets. Already we have learnt types of sets. So he is asking, he has given 2 sets. First bit, a set of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. So whether it is true or false we have to write. If these are disjoint sets we have to write true. If these are not disjoint sets we have to write false. So justify your answer he is asking. So see here. First we have to learn what are the disjoint sets. So just you have to watch the previous video. Already I have explained very clearly types of sets. So once again recall what it is. The sets which have no common elements are called disjoint sets. See here, the sets which have no common elements are called disjoint sets. If their intersection is null set, we can say they are disjoint sets. So just you have to observe whether there are any common elements in the sets. If there are common elements, they are not disjoint. If there are no common elements, they are disjoint. See here, first set 2, 3, 4, 5, second set 3, 6. So here what are the common elements? Yes, there is common element 3. So if there is common element, they are not disjoint, but here disjoint, so it is false. So the first statement is false. Since we have to find intersection. Since a set of 2, 3, 4, 5 intersection a set of 3, 6 is equal to. So what is the intersection? Just you have to write the common elements. So 3 is the common element. So there is one common element. So here it is not null set. It is not equal to null set. So here they are not disjoint. Hence there is a common element. They are not disjoint. If there are no common elements, we can say they are disjoint. So here it is false. Next, second one. A set of A, E, I, O, U and a set of A, B, C, D are disjoint. So again we have to check whether there are any common elements. Yes, here A is there, A is there. Yes, there is common element. So here these two are not disjoint sets, but he has given disjoint. So it is also false statement. False. So since, again you have to find the intersection. Since set of A, E, I, O, U intersection A, B, C, D is equal to, what is the common element? A is the common element. So that's all. So it is not equal to null set. Since their intersection is not null set, they are not disjoints, but he has given disjoint, hence it is false. So this is first and second bit. So next we have to solve third and fourth bits. So next this is the third bit in the seventh problem. set of 2, 6, 10, 14 and a set of 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets. So again we have to verify whether there are any common elements. So here 2 is not there, 6 is not there, 10 is not there, 14 is also not there. So we can say there are no common elements. If there are no common elements, we can say they are disjoint sets. Yes, he is also given they are disjoints, hence it is true. It is true. We can write it is true. So justify he is saying, so just you have to find the intersection. Since 2, 6, 10, 14 intersection 3, 7, 11, 15. So there are no common elements in both the sets. So we can say it is null set since they are disjoint. So next this is fourth bit. A set of 2, 6, 10 and a set of 3, 7, 11 are disjoint sets. Again we have to verify the common elements. So 2 is not there, 6 is not there, 10 is also not there. So there are no common elements, hence they are disjoints. Yes, he has given disjoints, therefore it is also true. Since we have to write a reason. Since 2, 6, 10 intersection 3, 7, 11 is equal to, there are no common elements, hence it is a null set. Since their intersection is a null set, they are disjoint sets, hence it is true. So these two are the third and fourth bits in the seventh problem. Totally there are 4 bits, we have completed 4 bits. So in exercise 2.2 there are totally 7 problems. We have completed all the 7 problems. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem. Thanks for watching.